See how this new job will affect his workload. I'll ask Lisa for a resource chart. I can see that with this new project, Robert will probably be overbooked, but Stephen has some slack time. Once the project begins, well, I can monitor work progress by entering the days remaining on each task. Which automatically updates the resource chart. Lisa Project simplifies scheduling, so I can manage my resources better. Now let's take a look at the budget that I prepared for this project. But first, let's set this document aside. I simply go to the File Print menu with the pointer and choose Set Aside Schedule. It goes to a place on my desktop so I can easily go back to it. And updating a budget this morning was simple, with the help of LisaCalc. LisaCalc allows me to easily develop budgets, financial analyses, cost models, and much more. Let's look at my Opus budget, which is now opened on my desktop. If I wanted to see the assumptions I made when setting up this model, well, I could scroll up. I can also scroll down and to the left and right. I can reduce the size of the print so I can see more of the chart. I can now see the entire model on the screen. Let's say I wanted to change the values in one of the cells. I point to the cell, press the mouse button to select it, and then type in the new value, which automatically replaces the old one. Now, watch what happens to my expenses if I start with a staff of 10 people instead of 4. Let's see if there's some way I can reduce my expenses. Now, we could revise the assumptions spelled out below the model. Let's see what effect reducing employee expenses would have on my deficit. I'll change it to $500 a month. Now I've corrected my deficit. If I want to insert any part of this budget into a memo or a report, I use the mouse to select the information. I then go to the Edit menu and choose Copy. I've now made a copy of the model which I can use later. I'll set aside the budget for now. To create a memo,